Hey everybody, this is Shauna with Love Meets Cake, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make peach cobbler cheesecake egg rolls. So today I am at home, and these are all the ingredients that you're going to need that you can find at your local grocery store. Now in that tub right there, I already have a pre-mixture of cinnamon and white sugar. Okay, so first we're going to take our peaches. You can use frozen, fresh, or canned, it really doesn't matter. We're going to put those on the stove, mix in some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and some vanilla extract, and we're going to bring that to a quick little boil. Now what I like to do to thicken up my mixture so the juice isn't so thin and runny, I'll take some cornstarch and put a little bit of juice in a separate bowl and mix that together. And then once that is stirred up good and thick, I will pour that into the peach mixture. It's just a lot easier to do this way instead of pouring the cornstarch directly into it, because then you'll have clumps and you'll be stirring forever. So trust me. After 2 minutes, go ahead and take it off the heat, put the peaches in a separate bowl, wash your skillet out. Now let's go ahead and make the cream cheese. So you're going to put a room temperature block of cream cheese into a bowl, and you're going to beat that until it's nice and creamy. And then we're going to pour in half a cup of granulated white sugar. You're going to do a splash of vanilla extract, a little splash of lemon just to bring out the tartness just a little bit, and then we are going to beat it all together. Now go ahead and put your cream cheese mixture in either a piping bag or a sandwich baggie, or if you don't have any sort of baggie at all, just spoon it on, doesn't matter. Okay, so first we're going to start with putting one peach on the egg roll wrap. We're going to squeeze some cream cheese, take some water, dap the top, the sides, and the bottom of the egg roll, so that way the egg roll wrap sticks. Alright, let's do it again. So one peach in the middle, cream cheese, take the water, dap, 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 all the corners, fold in the top, the sides, and fold at the bottom. There we go. At first I thought I was about to be embarrassed trying to wrap this egg roll, but it worked. Now we're doing some vegan boys. I got a friend who's vegan, so I'm doing some for them. Now, I actually could not find vegan cream cheese. I know it exists, but because I couldn't find it, I just left it out. If you guys can find it, do the same exact thing, just using vegan cream cheese. Okay, so now I had a skillet that was on medium heat with some vegetable oil, and I'm putting my egg rolls in there about 1 minute. And then I am putting it in the cinnamon and sugar mixture, so that way it has that dusting on the outside. And then I'm going to put them on a separate plate. Now one thing is, you don't want to burn the mess out of your egg rolls. You really just want to fry them just enough to get golden brown, and then dip them in your cinnamon sugar mixture, and then putting them on a paper towel. Now what I'm doing here is just dapping off the excess cinnamon and sugar. All right, here we go. Everything's all plated. Now listen.
She's trying to be cool,
I
y'all.
tried to do a sexy slow motion caramel drizzle. I was trying to be sweet, y'all. That thing was not drizzling. Why would you embarrass me on my own video, huh? Look how raggedy that caramel raggedy drizzle. Who cares though, right? Look how good these are about to look. Look, feast your eyes. Feast your eyes. Are your taste buds jumping right now in your mouth? These are so good. All right, here them vegan boys. As you can see, I didn't put any cream cheese, but if you find vegan cream cheese, go ahead and help yourself, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.